Greetings, everyone. My name is Todd Williams, and I am so excited to be with you this coming September and November as a part of your Synergy series. My background is in healthcare and hospitality. In hospitality, I was a lead trainer for Four Seasons Hotels and Resorts for many years. I was in charge of opening up their new hotels across the country and establishing that culture that we're known for that creates that phenomenal experience. I also work with hospitals across the nation. Same thing. What does it feel like to be a patient with that hospital? What does it feel like to work there and be a part of that team? And what is that culture like? Nowhere do I see the two come together, the two arenas between healthcare and hospitality like I do in dentistry. In dentistry, we're small enough where we have to be as hospitable as the Four Seasons in order to have that relationship with our patients and our team, but we also have to be just as clinically proficient and excellent as the finest hospitals. It's really the biggest combination of those two sides of care, the noun side of care and the verb side of care, that side that we can measure and that unmeasurable side that makes a tremendous impact on everybody we serve. So to point, we're going to have a two-part series. I will see you in September as we talk about why we do this, how society has changed, what a patient's looking for that's different than what they used to look for, what's a team member looking for, what is the human in front of you looking for, especially now today. And then we're going to talk a lot about the data that backs it up and the science that's showing us things have changed. The expectations of the patient experience have completely changed. In November, we're going to get back together and get real tactical and talk about how we do this. How do we implement this? How do we take what we've learned and make a difference in the human in front of us, no matter their title? How do we make a difference in their life in a way that moves the metrics, moves us higher than we've ever been, and helps us propel past the competition like never before? If there's one thing I've learned over the years, it's this: culture cannot be hired out, nor can it be assigned to a couple of people on the team. Culture is an everybody thing. So to that point, both of these days in September and November, it's imperative that the entire team is there. This is something that has something for everyone. No one will be left out. No one will think, why did I come? I didn't need to be here. Every single person on the team is a huge part of your culture, and I'm here to talk to every member of the team. I can't wait to be there. This is my passion. This is what I love. I promise to pour everything into both days, and it's just an honor to be a part of the series twice and to meet you and your team. Can't wait to be there and pour into you. I just wish September would get here faster. So again, I will see you very soon. Thank you for the opportunity and the honor of spending time with you.